Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Drive OCR for turning scans into searchable text, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the New button on the top left corner of the screen. Click on the New button to open the menu. From the menu, select File Upload. Browse your computer for the scanned document you want to convert into search. Select the file and click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. Once the file is uploaded, locate it in your Google Drive. Right-click on the file to open Options. From the options, select Open With and then choose Google Docs. Google Docs will automatically convert your scanned document using optical character recognition, or OCR. The OCR process may take a few moments, depending on the size of the document. Once the OCR process is complete, the document will open in a new Google Docs window. You will see the original scanned image at the top of the document. Beneath the image, you'll find the extracted text. Review the extracted text for any errors or formatting issues. You can edit the text directly within Google Docs if necessary. To save the document, click on File in the top menu. Select Download if you wish to save it in another format. Choose your preferred format, such as Microsoft Word or PDF. Your OCR converted document is now ready for use, searchable and editable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.